This Century 21 Nachman Realty property video is presented by Faith Turner. Make this spacious traditional your own. Price to sell as is, needs cosmetic repairs. 4 bedrooms/2.5 baths, large eat-in kitchen with granite countertops, family room plus formal living and dining rooms. Primary suite with private bath. Attached 2-car side load garage, cul-de-sac lot. Great location in Old Town, convenient to shopping and dining, and easy access to I-264. For more information, review the details below or contact Faith Turner at 757-424-0202.